Howdy, folks! Nobody wants to deal with a cracked phone screen, right? So the first thing you gotta do when you get a brand new device is slap on a screen protector. Why pay extra at a store when you can do it yourself for a fraction of the cost? Today, I'm applying a silicone hydrogel screen protector to my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Grab the wet cloth and give that screen a good wipe until it's spotless. Then, dry it off with the dry wipe. Next, take your screen protector, align it dead center on the screen, and make sure it's lined up just right. Once you're happy with the placement, press it down and use a card like this one to smooth out any bubbles. With a bit of practice and confidence, you'll get that protector looking factory perfect. Easy, right? Check the video description for a link to a pack of budget-friendly screen protectors. Trust me, they're cheap enough that you won't stress if you mess up the first try.